Yeah, so welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to my phone screen. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Yeah, we will talk about how to make money online and take videos. For a very quick video, let me go straight to the point. I want to show you how you can the simple trick to grow your 200 cedis dollar arbitrage account to 10,000 cedis in a month. I hope it sounds some way, but you watch this video to the end and you will understand what I'm trying to say. So no time to waste. I'll just go straight to the point and point so that we'll finish fast. Yeah. So we'll be using three apps to do this thing I'm talking about. So first of all, we will buy our USDT in yellow card. So watch it very carefully. Yeah. So what are the steps I'm using? Yeah. And I will leave all these links in my description. So if you log in with my links, you'll get bonuses. Yeah. So I'll go to here and say that I want to buy, let's say we started with 20 cities, so 200 cities. So 20 cities, I will get 16.26 USDT. Yeah. So this is how I will do it. First of all, there are some tricks in these things that we will use to double our income every day. So this is how we will do it. I hope you are watching it. This is how we will do it. First of all, we can say that okay, let me go to Paxful and sell it. But when you go to Paxful and sell it, you will not get USDT again. You are selling your USDT for Ghana cedis. So we don't want it that way. We want to double our income. So this is how we will do it. The 16.26 USDT. This is how we do it. We'll go to withdraw because we have our USDT in our yellow card. Before we can do it, unless we withdraw this thing, so we'll copy this address. Then I'll go to PetSmart. PetSmart is an investment account. So let's say if you invested 10 USDT, you are getting what 1.5 interest every day. So I will log in into Pet, and this one I will leave the link in my description. Yeah. So this one, I invested only 10 USDT and I've withdraw. So for you to know that I've withdrawn two times, let me go here for you to see it. 19. So I will see number of I've withdrawn two times. You see, I've withdrawn two times, and the withdrawal amount was 6 USDT. 6 USDT. Yeah. So every day you'll be withdrawing, every day you'll be getting 1.5. So this is how we do it. To double our income. So we have 16.26. So first of all, I'll go to invest and invest in pet one. So if you click on the link in my description, you get 90 USDT free. So that one you will use it to buy pet zero, but pet one unless you deposit 10 USDT. So this is how we do it. You go to mine and you go to what electronic wallet, and this one make sure that the wallet you are adding is your wallet you normally use, because the wallet is, you can't undo it. If you add it, it will be there forever. You can't undo it. If you add wrong wallet, you can't undo it. So you add the wallet over here and you go to withdraw. So withdraw, I'll say I want to withdraw the 9.8. 9.8. Then I went to my password over here. And one thing about this, if you're withdrawing, they will not charge you anything. They will not charge you anything. Yeah, then I'll click on withdraw now, but I don't want to withdraw it now. Yeah. You see that thing? So this is how we will do it. So we are saying a month, you will get what? 10,000 cedis. So this is how we do it. So 1.5 daily times 31 a month is what? 46.5. 46.5. So remember that we have 6.26 USDT in our what, yellow card account. So we what we will add it 6.26. Then we get what 52.7 52.76 a month, 52.76. Then we will what invest that 52.76 in pets, in what, per two. So let me go here and just check something. Per two recharge is what 50 USDT, and you earn 7.5 USDT every day. Yeah. So when I invested in per two, I'm getting what? I'm getting 7.5 USDT daily. So watch this thing. 7.5 times 31. I'm earning what? I'm earning 232.5. So it depends on the money you are adding inside. So if you add low, you will get 40 something. So I want to show you how you can earn the 10,000 a month. So 23.25, that's what we get. So pet, let's go to pet 4. Pet 4, we are okay. Let me go to pet 5. Pet 5, you are earning 102.00 USDT daily. So pet 5, how much are you investing? We are investing 660 USDT. 60 USDT. So if you follow what I showed you earlier on the steps, when you get it, then you invest it. When you get it, then you invest it. You will get 660 points USDT. Then you come here. 660 points USDT daily. So you invested in what? Pets. Pet 5. Pet 5 now we will spend 660 in pet 5, and we earn 102 daily. So this is how we do it. This is how we do it. 102 times 31. We are getting 3,162 a month. So 3,162 times Ghana cedis is around 12. So a month, this one a month, we are earning 37,944. That's 370 million old currency. You see that thing? Yeah. And if you get the 3,162 USDT a month, then we go to Pax 4 to what, to maximize our profits. So we go to Pax 4. So right now we have how much? We have 3,162 USDT. So we go to Pax 4. So we go to Pax 4 and we go to market. We go to USDT. We go to what? We go to sell. Then we will find, because this one, so we just want to make enough profit. We just want to double our 37 points, our 3,162 USDT. We just want to make profit, because like if I multiply this one by our currency right now, if I withdraw it right now, I'm getting 37,944. So I want to make more than 37,944. So this is how I'll do it. I'll find a market. I hope you are watching it. So I can trade with anyone. So since I want to know this thing, let me trade with trusted offers only. So this first one, it is 10.76. So I have what? Let me say it's 37,944. Nah, it should is not good. It should is not good. So let me go to someone else. It's really no good. So we want to make more than 37,000 Ghana cedis. So we have to find someone that has a good rate. Yeah, that we can make enough profits. So first of all, the first one I divided by 12. I multiply by 12. So I have to find a person who has more than 12. So let's go with this person, 12.54. So I say, okay, 37,000, 37,000, 944, 944. I'll give the person 3,050 USDT. I still have more. So 38,000. Still have more. 40,000. Okay. 38,000. Okay. 39,000. 39. 39,200. 39,200. 39,200. Okay, this is cool. So 39,200. Then I'll sell my 3,162 USDT to this person. So let me go calculator and system to 39,200. 39,200. So minus 39,200. So my interest is what? So let me do this here for you to know, for you to see it well. 39,200 minus 37,944. So so though I've made a lot of profit from what I did, and I've made another profit in it, and I've made another 1,256 profit in it. I will see. It's very simple. I hope you're following what I'm teaching. You see, so it's very very simple. You use these three apps, and I will leave all these links in the description so that it will be easy for you. It's right then. Yeah, it's be easy for you. So if you do this, start with some small amounts. Let's say 100 cedis. Let's say, yeah, 100. So let's say a 120 cedis. That's 10 USDT. Yeah, 120 cedis, and you can start with that thing. And when the month reach, then you invest again with the amount you earn. Then you say that thing, you are good to go. So I hope it's very educative, and thank you for watching me. I'm out.